Philippines for this recognition. Thank you very much. I was sitting there earlier today and listening to all the speeches, and I feel so humbled, listening to these young kids, to these young women being honored today, from KZ saying rules are meant to be broken. Yes, it is, as far as music is concerned. Yes, it is. And being a woman in this industry, yes, why not? Right? So go ahead and keep breaking the rules. Nung kabataan ko, ganun din ako. I keep breaking the rules. If someone says, "Oh, you're not supposed to cut your hair because dapat mahaba." Hindi, puputulin ko yung buhok. Bakit ba? Pakialam nyo, kanya-kanya tulong. I was like that when I was younger too. You're not supposed to sing this. Pwede na kayo umupo, baka makahawag kayo. You're not supposed to sing this kind of song. Ayun ang kakantahin ko, bakit ba? To Yang, parang sometimes we do doubt ourselves, but a lot of times our loved ones will remind us na hindi, okay lang yun. And something in us, pinapaalala din sa sarili natin na hindi, kaya mo yan. And from these kids, you guys are going to Coachella, congratulations! Pakita natin ng kakayanan ng mga Pilipina. Thank you to Billboard for honoring women in music. Malaking bagay yon sa aming mga kababaihan sa OPM. Maraming salamat. This industry has changed my life. Bakit ba umiiyak ako? Siguro pag jumajonders ka na, yung mahilig ka umiiyak. Ano ba yun? Ba't yun? Yung nagme-menopause ka, yung iyak ka lang ng iyak. Menopause, iyak, go. Yung gano'n. I don't know. It has changed my life in so many wonderful ways. It has helped my family. I didn't know that my father's dream pala was to travel the world. I didn't know. And natulungan ko yung tatay ko na matupad yung pangarap niya because I sang. And we traveled the world together. And because I was singing. And now he's traveling heaven. So, marami pong nagawang industriya ito sa buhay ko. So I'm forever gonna be grateful to this industry. I worked with so many incredible people. I had the privilege of, meeting my idols, working with them. I met my best friend and my forever love here in this industry. My one and only love in this industry. So, dahil doon, grabe po yung pagtanaw ko ng utang na loob sa industriya nito. And to the people here na nangangarap, dream big. Sa industriya nito, hindi pwedeng maliit ka lang mangarap. Dapat malaki ka mangarap. Dapat ready ka na matupad yung pangarap mo. Di ba ganun yun? Tsaka dapat, like I said, you have to dream big. Lakihan mo, dapat mas malaki sa'yo yung pangarap mo. Then work hard and be ready. Because one day, it'll be your time. You guys are the future of OPM. And me being here, being honored as a Woman of the Year, I am so proud of all of you because you guys will continue what Lolita have started and the artists before me have started. So congratulations to everyone. Keep doing the work you are doing now. We are so proud of you guys. Thank you again for this honor. Thank you to my husband, to my parents, to my papa, to Ronnie Hinares, who first believed, well, my first manager and who became my second father, to Freddy Santos, and to a lot of other people na naniwala po sa boses ko. And dun sa 5-year-old na nangarap, na yung story ko po kasi, 5 years old ako, sumali ako ng singing contest. Ako lang po yung bata doon. Tapos nung narinig ko yung palakpakan ng mga tao, nag-decide ako, at the tender age of 5 years old, na-decide ko, this is what I'm gonna do. Because I love the sound of, yung palakpakan, yung applause. And 40 years later, here I am. And to my Savior, Jesus Christ, I am forever yours. Thank you so much for all the blessings.